Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're tackling a massive, honestly infuriating frustration for store owners. You know the drill. You're dumping cash into ads every single month, but seeing absolutely zero return on that investment. Well, we're going to decode the exact data and frameworks to figure out why your storefront is literally bleeding money, and more importantly, exactly how to stop the bleeding. Let's get right into it.
So let's dive into this maddening contrast you've probably stared at a million times. Your ad's dashboard is totally lit up with expensive traffic. We're talking dozens, maybe hundreds of clicks. But your actual store? Complete silence. No notifications, no sales coming through. It's just the quiet, painful drain of your ad spend.
And when you're staring at that dashboard, the panic kind of sets in, right? You immediately start asking yourself, is it the product? Is it the ads? Is it me? Next thing you know, you're frantically rewriting copy, testing completely new creatives, or just burning another $500 on a pure guess.
Section 1, the paradigm shift. The real problem revealed. We need to shift our perspective entirely right now, because the actual issue goes against pretty much everything those mainstream ad gurus have been teaching you.
Okay, here is the harsh truth, and it's a tough pill to swallow. The problem was never the ad. The ad did its job. Seriously, you have to stop blaming your campaigns. Think about it. If people are actually clicking, those ads successfully brought curious, warm traffic directly to your virtual doorstep. It's like a relay race, and the baton is officially passed the moment they click. Your ad got them there. Now it's your store's singular, absolutely crucial job to close the sale. And, well, right now your storefront is failing at that one job, and it's doing so silently, invisibly, and incredibly expensively.
Section 2, the diagnosis. 3 invisible conversion killers. Instead of panicking and, randomly slashing your prices, we need to systematically diagnose the invisible mistakes you're making. There are 3 specific conversion killers lurking on almost every single underperforming store right now. They're invisible because the site might not look quote-unquote broken, but fundamentally they just don't work.
Let's look at our first killer, the trust gap. When a prospect clicks your ad, remember, they don't know you from Adam. They have no idea if your brand is legit, if the product actually looks like the cool picture they clicked on, or if you're even going to ship it to them. If a customer doesn't immediately feel safe enough to whip out their credit card the second they land on your page, they're gone. They bounce. And it's not because they hated the product, but simply because they didn't trust you. Then we have our second killer, offer clarity. Look, you might have a genuinely incredible product, but if your page reads like some dense Wikipedia article full of technical jargon, nobody cares. You completely lose them. Customers need to know exactly 2 things, immediately. What does this do to change my life, and how fast can I get it? If you don't answer those 2 questions within the first 5 seconds of scrolling, they are out of there.
And our third killer is friction at checkout. This one is a sneaky, silent barrier. Most store owners never even notice it because, let's be honest, we rarely watch how real human beings actually navigate our sites. But it literally just takes one extra click, one unexpected shipping cost suddenly popping up, or even one slightly confusing form field to stop a purchase dead in its tracks.
Section 3, the prescription. Stop guessing, start auditing. Okay, before you spend another single dollar testing new ads or rebuilding your campaigns from scratch, we're going to walk through an exact 5-step audit system. To put this in perspective, this exact methodology took a store from a really bleak 0.8 return on ad spend up to a highly profitable 3.4 in just 21 days. And the crazy part? They did it without touching a single ad. 75%. Just let that indisputable number sink in for a second, because understanding this single data point is an absolute game changer. Over 75% of Facebook traffic lands on a mobile phone, yet most stores are designed and built by owners sitting at massive desktop monitors. So, because the vast majority of your traffic is scrolling on their phones, if you're only checking your site on a desktop, you are flying completely blind. You're never going to see those awkwardly cropped images, the massive blocks of text that drag on forever, or the add to cart buttons that are way too tiny to tap with a thumb. Here's another staggering metric, straight from Google, that should honestly build some immediate urgency for us. 53%.
53% of mobile users will flat out abandon your page if it takes longer than 3 seconds to load. 3 seconds. If your page is dragging, over half of those incredibly expensive clicks you paid for are bouncing before they even read your product's name. So your ads are working, right? But your load time is actively rejecting the traffic.
So here's the concrete 5-point conversion audit you absolutely must run.
We're stepping methodically into your customer's shoes here. Number 1, the mobile check. 2, load time. 3, the skeptic read. 4, the checkout test. And finally, number 5, real urgency. Doing this takes maybe 30 minutes, and I promise you it beats months of blind ad testing.
Let's actually break down these fixes so you can take action right now. For the mobile check, grab your phone, hunt down any cropped images, and optimize that layout specifically for smaller screens. For the skeptic read, literally, read your product page out loud to yourself. Does it sound unbelievable or scammy? If it does, you need to instantly remove that doubt by stacking customer reviews, clear photos, and rock-solid guarantees. And for the checkout test, actually go add an item to your own cart. Hunt for any unexpected hidden fees and ruthlessly strip away absolutely anything that slows the buyer down.
Now, when you get to that final step of checking your offer, remember this stark contrast. Fake urgency, like those cheesy, constantly resetting countdown timers, that stuff completely destroys trust nowadays. You have to offer real urgency. Give them a legitimate, tangible reason to buy right now, like a special bundle deal or a limited product variant. Basically, you want it so that waiting to buy genuinely feels like a loss to them.
And guys, here's the beautiful part about all of this. Once your storefront actually passes this 30-minute audit, your ads can finally do what they were designed to do, without bleeding your budget dry. The ads bring in the curious buyers, and your newly optimized store actually closes the deal. That is the exact moment your return on ad spend climbs. You finally stop wasting money, and scaling the whole shebang actually makes mathematical sense.
So I'll leave you with this final, provocative thought to challenge your whole strategy today. Really take a hard look at your own operation right now. Is your store actually ready to close the sale, or are you just going to keep guessing and burning through your hard-earned ad budget? It's time to stop blaming the traffic. Pick up your phone and start auditing. Thanks for hanging out with me on this explainer today, and I really hope this gives you the exact blueprint you need to finally turn those clicks into real measurable sales. Catch you next time.